Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 8th September 2020 and let's start the day with the history of the day. So on this day means on 8th September in 2008, the Supreme Court granted bail to the main accused and share broker Ketan Parikh and other accused in the Cafina Mutual Fund scam case, and the famous US magazine Forbes announced the award of Lifetime Achievement Award to Indian her husband Lakshmi Mittal. So this is the history of the day. Now let's see the current affairs part. So the first question from the current affair is SIDBI has tied up with which state to develop MSME ecosystem? SIDBI ने MSME पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र को विकसित करने के लिए किस राज्य के साथ समझौता किया है? एंड द आंसर इज विद महाराष्ट्र. सो SIDBI is a small industrial development bank of India which was established on 2nd April 1990 and is headed by Mr. Mohammad Mustafa. Now let's see the second question. So which country has joined the Indo-Pacific Club? कौन सा देश इंडो पैसिफिक क्लब में शामिल हुआ है? सो गाइज लेट मी टेल यू दैट इफ़ यू नो द आंसर्स प्लीज डू टेल इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड द आंसर इज जर्मनी. It has been included in the Indo-Pacific Club. And let me tell you something about Germany, that the Germany is located in the continent of Europe. Its capital is Berlin and the president of Germany is Frank-Walter Steinmeier and the currency of the Germany is euro. Next question is, which IITs have set up data analytics lab? किस IIT ने डाटा एनालिटिक्स लैब स्थापित की है? एंड द आंसर इज IIT Madras has set up this analytics lab. So this data analytics lab was established for research in risk analysis and behavioral sciences. Means its main motto is to research on the risk and behavioral science. Next, fourth question is, which state government has resumed the scheme itself स्वयं? किस राज्य सरकार ने स्वयं या फिर स्वयं योजना को फिर से शुरू किया है? एंड द आंसर इज असम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ रिज्यूम्ड दिस. एंड द असम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू रीस्टार्ट द स्कीम itself to provide employment to about 2 lakh youth. The capital city of Assam is Dispur. Its chief minister is Sarbanad Sonowal. Its chief is Jagdish Mukhi. And the two neighboring countries were Bhutan and Bangladesh made this state, and the adjacent to this state are the 7 neighboring states which are also known as the 7 sister states of India. Next, fifth question is, which IIT has launched Chakradikov to disinfect the N95 mask? किस IIT ने N95 मास्क को कीटाणु रहित करने के लिए चक्रडिकोव लॉन्च किया है? And the answer is IIT Delhi has launched this. So this is an ozone based device with the help of which the mask can be used up to 10 times again after disinfecting from this equipment. Now moving toward the sixth question. So Wilmington has been declared as the first heritage city of the World War II. In which country is it located? So Wilmington को दूसरे विश्व युद्ध के पहले हेरिटेज सिटी के रूप में घोषित किया है, तो यह किस देश में स्थित है? एंड द आंसर इज इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन द USA, United States of America, and the America is located in the North American continent of the world and its capital is Washington DC. Next, seventh question is, who launched the English Pro mobile app? किसने English Pro मोबाइल ऐप लॉन्च किया है? एंड द आंसर इज रमेश पोखरियाल निशंक. So the English Pro mobile app aims to help learners develop Indian English pronunciation in a unique Indian way. And let me tell you that Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is the Union Education Minister of India. Next, eighth question is, who has launched India's first football training app Njogo? भारत का पहला फुटबॉल प्रशिक्षण ऐप Njogo किसने लॉन्च किया है? And the answer is Kiran Rijiju has launched this app, and the app Njogo training app will enable you to access appropriate online coaching to train young footballers in India. And let me tell you that the Kiran Rijiju is the Union Youth Affairs and Sports Minister of India, and it has been launched for the access to the online coaching. Next question is, who has launched 60 Starlink satellites? किसने 60 स्टारलिंक उपग्रह लॉन्च किए हैं, यानी कि किस कंट्री ने या फिर किस स्पेस एजेंसी ने किया है? सो द आंसर इज SpaceX हैज़ लॉन्च दिस, and let me tell you that the SpaceX is a private American space agency. It is a private, not governmental. So it was established on 8th May 2002, and its founder and CEO is Elon Musk. Now the next and the last question for today's current affair is, which industrialist children have been included in Fortune's 40 under 40 list of influential people? फॉर्च्यून की 40 अंडर 40 प्रभावशाली लोगों की सूची में किस उद्योगपति के बच्चों को शामिल किया गया है? So the answer is Mukesh Ambani's children has been included in this, and the Mukesh Ambani industrialist children have been included in the Fortune list of 40 under the 40 influential people. These two are the named, means the children's name are Isha and Akash Ambani. So guys, that is it for the day. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please at least do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates.